Hi everyone, good afternoon, I hope you can hear me. See, I can barely hear. Let me try. I hope my bike doesn't fall off because it is very windy. It was very difficult to get here. Oh, it's a little bit more pleasant, but anyway. Well, as much as I love this and record this and show you videos for you, today I'm gonna decline to even remove my camera. It's getting cold, it's very windy, it's very unpleasant to be here just to have 20 views or something like that. I barely reached 20 views. It's amazing how many people that I had a few years ago, and now I don't know why they stopped watching my sunsets, and they still want me to do lives. I'm not gonna spend a buck to go through this and barely have anything in return. Not even views, not even likes. I keep asking, give a like. It's totally free. It doesn't screw your algorithm, just screw mine if you don't do it. But to do this, I cannot even get a super shit. Let me close my. Like I was saying, it doesn't worth it really. As much as I enjoy to show you sunsets from my city, and I could start doing other stuff, but the results are not going to be the much appreciated as I love to do. I like to stick with this to do lives. Well, I can try to do a live stream, but I don't want to block anyone. But changing the subject, meanwhile, like I already said in most of all of my videos, if you wish to buy me a coffee or go to the GoFundMe or PayPal, is on one advantage is instead of give a tip to a monetized channel, because you only give you don't give 50% to YouTube. And probably to see a commercial or something. I'm not monetized, so you don't see commercials on my videos anyway. If you saw a video, it's not my fault. If you saw a commercial, because sometimes YouTube take advantage of put between shorts and stuff like that. But I barely get views on shorts. They are dying. I'm talking very close to the phone, and I'm little bit louder. I don't know if you can hear me. Are they going to say hello to each other? With the hand outside. Hey, hello. I'm not going to even take my camera. Not going to even take my camera to in these settings, I only have 3 times zoom. It's very bright even for my camera. You can see the back in the behind, you know. So, hey, how are you? Where you go? I go to port. Okay, I go to Lisbon. That antenna over there. There's the crane to make it nice. Okay, 6 minutes 44. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna stick around here for a few more seconds, and I want to stay until the end, but I'm not gonna take my camera and do a very nice, beautiful montage of 2 cameras and put the video. You know, I usually like to mix the different cameras, but not this time. It's very cold compared with the day of yesterday. Was yesterday, the day before yesterday, was extremely hot, and now today. I'm gonna get my camera now. I'm gonna get my camera out. Allora, adesso come controllo. Oh God, it's very difficult to hold the camera. I'm holding 2 cameras at the same time. Oh. Ora já vou parar. Why? Why? What's the problem? Charge the battery. Opa, não me foda. This camera. Come on. Fucking shit camera. Should I guess not even put it outside. Oh, for fuck. Trying to record. Oh no, it's gonna shut down again. Oh, foda-se. Well, fuck it. Why should I try anyway? Let's try to take a few pictures, maybe take a few pictures. Yeah, I'm taking a few pictures. But I don't know why it turns off as soon as I start recording. Complaining about battery, and it has full battery. fully Instagram. I even have a camera to work like I like to. Já não vai lá. It's already turned off again. Anda lá, caralho. Olha, fuck it. Fuck the camera. See? Oh, I really don't have any lucky. No donations, no. Thanks Neil for the $5, and thanks Yvonne for the 50 2 weeks ago or something. Pay my phone, but I need to pay again. Okay, it's over, it's ending. I'm gonna end up here as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye, love you all, and be safe. God bless you. Bye bye.